Oh yeah.
Oh, he just slides in there.
Slides right in.
You know what knives work the best with this one? There's like plastic knives.
Oh yeah.
That's better there too. Just like stay a little bit. Oh, sick vent alert.
Where?
It's like mine to the left.
Hmm? Oh, I see.
I'm coming up behind you, Mr. Benz. 500 SL.
Oh fuck, it won't reach either way.
Okay, just undo everything you did.
Okay.
That's cool. But like, make it, put that thing back there.
But I could. Go like this.
Oh yeah, that's perfect. And then I can just get a piece of tape.
Yeah.
Doesn't really bother me. Does it bother you? I don't care.
Yeah, because this way it's not coming in front of your.
Yeah.
No, it's like almost gone.
Yeah? Cool. Just,
Do the human now.
yeah, just. How's that with you?
Oh, that's fine.
Just maybe straighten that up. I don't really care if people don't have a dash camera. I didn't get it from some people don't know. I got it so I can see cool shit.
No, just this way it's not in your.
Yeah. No, I'm gonna take Stony all the way. What do you think that's the best way?
Well, depends what side of Deerfoot they are. Are they closer to Stony Trail or Deerfoot?
No, it's really close. If I get off, I've done this before. I gotten off like 16th Ave and took in like 68th Street all the way to Memorial. And I got to her house like that one time before off Stony Trail. I mean, that's the best way.
Okay.
16th is right before Memorial, anyways, right? That's the last one you can take.
No, Memorial is out there 16th.
If you're going this way, that's McKnight, 32nd Ave, 16th Memorial,
Yeah.
17th Ave, right?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
What?
Fuck.
Wood?
Yeah. That'd be so gay. But I really fucked my tire up right now.
New tires again.
Yeah.
Bands make it dance. If you want, I can just put our address in the GPS.
I don't know the address.
You just know how to get there.
Yeah.
Probably shouldn't
Yeah.
be speeding.
Probably not.
Given our certain situation. Yeah, see, like it's almost out of sight now. So you don't even notice it's here.
I don't even.
That's what I was trying to accomplish.
That's pretty good. I wouldn't even tell Sandra that she, well, I guess I already told her I got it, but
Yeah.
hopefully she won't notice it.
She'll notice, but then it's like when you're just not paying
Just
attention.
forget about it.
Fuck, I haven't smoked a joint in a while. Actually, no, I lied. When I went rafting, I smoked a joint.
How was that?
It was excellent. We got some fucked, man.
I bet. Was it fun?
Yeah,
It's fun,
man.
eh?
We're gonna get a bigger raft.
Did you get her in a nice area?
What?
Did you get off at a nice area?
Well, we went from Baker's down to Edworthy. It felt like just the right amount of time.
Because it's like almost 2 hours.
Yeah. After that, I started getting bored and shit, right?
Hold on, was it actually almost 2 hours? Like how long was it?
Yeah, like 2 hours. The water was a little fast, so it was like about 2 hours.
Yeah, it's about 2 hours there, right?
2 to 3, depending on the water.
Yeah, depending on the water. Because I know it's like 3 to 3.5 to get to downtown.
But if you make any stops,
See,
that way I can at least have like 6 people on. Because right now ours like barely does too.
that's the thing, right?
In the
You wanna
picture-
get something that
In the picture, it had like a whole fucking
lie,
family.
right? They're
Such a
always
lie.
lying. You have to get like 8 raft for like a good like 3 people.
Yeah.
Whatever number they say, just divide it by like 4.
I know, right? Just cut it in half and then take away 5.
Yeah, that's a good way to find. I really hope we can get that boat, man.
Yeah. Well, we basically got it.
Well, we didn't leave the message, right?
So fucking on our invitations, fucking there's a
What happened?
typo.
No way! You guys got a typo?
Yeah. Fucking. So like everything's like perfect, and then like you know where it says like RSVP,
Okay.
but ours said RVSP. So I'm glad you're actually like committed with it and you're doing it.
Oh, I know. Oh man, dude, I was actually so pissed though, man.
Because it's like, yeah, you're doing it. He's like, oh great. Well, I'll tell him when he's done. Give you a call.
Okay, that'd be awesome if I can get looked up. Can you still not take a left here? So confusing.
Oh, they just closed us off.
Still can't take a left.
Oh, you gotta go left here, huh?
68th Street. I'll just turn around. There's like a little convenience shop here.
A little loop to loop.
I'm not gonna do U-turn here
No, you should never do. Should have
never do
lights.
U-turn
You should avoid all U-turns.
here. Yeah, I tried to, but after you told me that you can do U-turns, because remember I told you
Yeah.
you can't ever do it. You're like, yeah, you can.
Yeah, you can.
And after you told me where you can, you're like, you just can't do it at an intersection, right?
Yeah, anywhere where there's a light, don't do it.
Yeah, no intersection.
If there's no lights, it's always fair game, unless there's a sign saying don't do it.
And yeah, that's what I've been using
Yeah.
in theory.
The northeast is so wet.
Fuck the Northeast. I have to come here and do a delivery tomorrow. I have to go to like Falcon something.
Yeah, that's that way.
Yeah.